Hello all, welcome back. Thanks for your comments, subs and likes. Right, I want to try and get the side of the Brassica case that's a bit wonky and what have you. Try and get that sorted today. And I want to have a little tidy up in the polytunnel as well. So I'll get on with that and we'll see what we can do. I think I need to have a little bit of a tidy up in here as well, to be honest, because I've just dumped stuff in here, to be honest, as you can see. So I'll get this cleared away as well. I'll use that cardboard in a minute, but the rest of it I'll just get the rake and the hammer and all that sort of stuff put away, and then I'm going to I might see if I can get that and put it over there. I think there's I'm not sure if that's empty or not, but yeah, I'll move that out of the way.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. So bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Right, this is the one of the other sides of the cage. That one that I'm going to put on the front there. But if you look, it needs a bit of a fix. So I'll grab that and take that into the polytunnel and do that in there, because it's raining a little bit and it's cold. And also I've left this has been off for a couple of days as well, so that's had plenty of water in there. That was by accident, to be honest, so I might chuck a layer of cardboard in there. I suppose I can do that, can't I? Because I've got plenty of that in the polytunnel just in there. So I think I'll do that first, so I'll get some cardboard in there. go, a nice layer of cardboard. Doesn't really need it, but because there's going to be loads of grass going in here when I start cutting grass, I thought I'd just put it in here ready for when I start cutting grass and stuff. So it might give it a little bit of installation, but not a lot really. But yeah, like I say, it's mostly because there's going to be loads of grass going in here. So yeah, and plus it gets rid of the cardboard and stuff, doesn't it? Right, I'll get that back on there now. Or actually, I might just leave it open for a couple of days so it gets a bit of moisture in that cardboard. That'll start helping it to break down then as well. Right, I'm down by my little shed. I'll show you, just in case you haven't seen it before. A mess, but this is all the hamster bedding and stuff. I've put that cardboard in there, so yeah, I've got loads of bedding I can use for next year. But yeah, I need to use this up really before I get any more, because I'm not sure if the mice or rats or whatever have been getting in here and having a dig about. So yeah, so I need to use this next year, but I'm sure I'll get through it. I'm not sure how many bags I've got now, to be honest, so yeah. Right, that's where I'll put the cardboard anyway, in the dry at least. Right, I've got this Brassica side in here. I was tempted to take this off and move it along so that this bracket moves more out here, but then I'll only have one screw in the bottom bit. But yeah, I'm going to try that, I think, and then see what happens. But it's only going to have one screw in there. But hey, I'll move it up there a little bit as well, so it's more central to the bit of wood. And then this will be moved over a little bit as well. So I'll get this off, put it back on, then I'll come back to you, and then we can see what it's like. If I don't like it, I've got another bit of wood there that I can cut down and maybe just brace it at the bottom here, and this brace this side as well is gone as well, so I'll whip that screw out as well. But like I said, this was one of the first things that I built, so it's probably about 5 or 6 years old. So yeah, we'll keep it going as long as I can, like everything. So I'll move this bracket and then I'll come back to you, see if that works. Alright, I'll put that bracket on there. It's still a bit loose, but it's better than what it was. So I've taken this one off from that end, and as you can see, that end is split, so I'm going to cut that back a little bit and screw that back on there, something like that, or wherever it may land, and that should give that a little bit more strength. Right, that's a bit more sturdy now. What I've done, I took off 3 of these brackets, them 2, and that one, and moved them along a little bit so it's more in the middle of this one. But obviously I can only move it along so far because it's only got 2 holes and it's not the biggest bracket, so yeah, but it's definitely more sturdy now than what it was. Right, that's going to be it for today. As you can see by my breath, it's getting quite cold now. So that's going to be it. So thanks for watching, commenting and subbing. If you haven't subbed yet, the bell's down in that corner. Click on the bell, click on all, and you'll get my notifications. Right, catch you later. Bye.